learners want to speak quickly. That is good goal. But listening teaches us pronunciation. Second, listening teaches us natural sentences. You don't need listening many hours. Every 5-10 minutes can help you. Listen short videos, podcast, simple conversation. Listen careful. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about why listening is important before speaking English. So let's talk about it. Before we jump into the video, for those who are watching me for the first time, my name is Vasantha Vidanage. I am a Sri Lankan in Saudi Arabia. Okay, without further ado, let's start our video. Many English learners want to speak quickly. That is good goal. But before we speaking well, we need to listen well. Think about children. Before they speak, they listen for many months. They listen words, sound, and tenses again and again. That is how they slowly learn to speak. Listening helps us in three ways. First, listening teaches us pronunciation. When we hear native speakers or clear English speakers, we learn how words really sound. Sometimes English words look different the way they sound. Listening helps us understand that. Second, listening teaches us natural sentences. When you listen often, your brain starts to remember useful expressions. Later, when you speak, those sentences come more natural. Listening builds confidence. When you understand more English, you feel more comfortable. Then speaking becomes easier. You don't need listening many hours. Every 5-10 minutes can help you. Listen short videos, podcast, simple conversation. Listen careful. Try to notice pronunciation, common words, and sentence patterns. A good way to practice is this. Listen first, then repeat. Pause the audio and say the sentence loud. This helps you listening and speaking together. So remember this, good speaking starts with good listening. If you listen every day, little by little, your English will become more natural, clear, and more confident in this. Now I am going to wrap up this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I hope to see you soon in next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.